Meet John. John runs a landing page that gets many views, but sadly no results. John is struggling heavily to turn his website visitors into actual leads. John put a lot of effort into his landing page, but the sales remain stagnant. He tried everything, different ads, better promotions, discounts, but nothing really helped. John was about to give up, but luckily, he discovered Creativz, experts in turning landing page traffic into real customers. Creativz stepped in, and within a matter of days, they uncovered critical pain points and transformed John's landing page into a money-making machine, driving conversions like never before. In just a few weeks, John's conversion rate soared by 148%. His business started thriving, and he's finally seeing the results he always dreamed of. Ready to transform your landing page like John did? Schedule your free strategy call with our experts today